Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely to control concentration and texture. Use 1 scoop, 30 g of powder per 8 ounces, 240 ml of liquid as a general guideline. Add powder to liquid, not liquid to powder, to reduce clumping and encourage even hydration. Use a blender bottle with a 3-5-inch wire whisk or an electric blender. Start low, then increase speed to incorporate air and break apart dry particles without splashing. Shake or blend for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth and lump-free. Selecting the right powder and preparing it helps prevent clumps. If the mix is lumpy, sift powder through a 2.5 mm mesh before measuring to remove compacted pieces. Warm liquid to about 30-35 degrees C to help powder dissolve faster while avoiding denaturation of sensitive proteins. For stubborn powders, premix 1 tablespoon of water with the powder to form a thin paste. Then add the remaining 7 ounces, 210 ml, of liquid and blend. This step hydrates particles evenly. Final texture and storage practices complete the process. If you want a creamier, lump-free shake, add 1 teaspoon of lecithin or 1 teaspoon of xanthan per serving as an emulsifier and stabilizer. Store unused dry powder in an airtight container at 20-22 degrees C and use within 6 months to prevent moisture clumps. If foam forms after blending, let the shake rest 30 seconds, then stir gently or tap the bottle to release bubbles. For persistent grit, strain through a fine mesh or remix with extra liquid and 10 to 15 seconds of blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.